Hello viewers, this is Ritika and you're watching Tongue to Tummy. In this video today I am going to show you restaurant style dry chili chicken recipe. If you like the recipe, please do subscribe the channel and like the video. For this recipe I took 700 gram of bite-sized boneless chicken. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon dark soya sauce, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida, 3 tablespoons cornflour. Mix together all the ingredients to coat the chicken well with the marinade. Set it aside to rest for at least 30 minutes. Heat up the pan with enough oil to deep fry the chicken cubes. To check the oil is sufficiently hot to fry the chicken, I have added a small portion of the marinated chicken. As it came up while frying, that means the oil is heated enough. Dropping the pieces in the oil, make sure you do not put too many. Fry until golden brown and crisp on medium flame, and it should be cooked well from inside. Drain the chicken from the oil and immediately transfer it to a separate bowl and set aside. Fry the second batch of chicken as well in the similar way as I have done for the first batch. Reduce the oil to 3 tablespoons. In goes 1/4 cup chopped garlic. Fry it for 2 minutes. When the garlic will become brown, add the onion cubes, capsicum cubes. Saute for a minute on high flame. I will not cook it for long to retain the crunch of the onion and capsicum. Add salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 4 tablespoons tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, 2 slitted green chilies. Mix well. Cook it for a minute. Let the sauce thicken slightly. Add half teaspoon more salt to it. Add the fried chicken. Toss it well until the sauce gets well coated with the chicken. This Indo-Chinese style dry chili chicken has a burst of flavors and is everyone's favorite starter. Toss it for 2 to 3 minutes in medium to high flame. Do not cook for long as it will make the chicken chewy. Add some chopped spring onion. Mix for about a minute. Our dry chili chicken is ready. Serve it hot with fried rice or hakka noodles, whatever you like. Garnish with some more chopped spring onion. If you enjoy watching my recipe, please do like the video and subscribe my channel Tongue to Tummy. Share the video with your friends and family. See you soon with a new recipe. Until then, bye.